Item specifics and product identifiers is product-specific information that you provide on eBay listings, which helps buyers find what they are looking for. This information increases the search visibility of your product and helps promote these products on external websites, for example, Google Shopping Search. A product identifier is a code, such as a barcode or a UPC, which exactly identifies a product. These codes can usually be found on the packaging of an item, and it's compulsory to submit them in some categories. eBay uses these codes for a number of things. One is that Google Shopping requires a submission of product identifiers to be included in its shopping program. eBay also uses barcodes to identify items, so when customers leave reviews, it can apply the right review to each item. Sometimes also customers use product identifiers in search. Let's take a look at how product identifiers are added into listings. This is a product listing, and one of the first things to enter is the EAN. In the USA and some other countries, this would be down as the UPC, or the Unified Product Code. They're very similar. If you do not have a barcode for your product, then you can select does not apply. Alternatively, you can select the barcode. It is always best to select a barcode if you have one available. Selecting this barcode has enabled eBay to match this product with information from its catalogue. You can use this information to pre-fill your eBay listing. Let's now look at where this information is used. This is the Google Shopping results page. If we go down and look at sellers here, we can select more sellers and then click on eBay. And these are listings on the eBay site which are appearing in Google Shopping Search. By entering your product identifier, you increase the chance of your product appearing for relevant searches in Google Shopping. Another place that product identifiers is used by eBay is for collecting product ratings. You see here this iPhone here has 378 product ratings. These are collected from all products of the same barcode. Item specifics are additional attributes selected by the seller, which enable eBay to filter product searches to ensure that they match buyers with products that they are looking for. Item specifics can either be predefined, or there is the option for sellers to define their own item specifics. Item specifics are set by category. They are mainly used for search filtering and increase an item's search visibility. If we look at the example for the category dummies and soothers, we will see a range of different filtering options on the left-hand side. So you can filter by size, brand, and type. If we select for the brand Hymus, and then we will see just those products which have that attribute applied. If we click on this product here, we will see just under the photograph here we have the item specifics. So these are the item specifics which have been defined by the seller. If we revise this item, we can see the item specifics here. You can see that this one here has the brand, the required item specific brand assigned, but it does not have any of the recommended item specifics. Above it, you will see the number of searches for those item specifics on eBay. At the moment, these products may be excluded from these searches if people select to filter by those item specifics. Above it, you can see the number of searches for those item specifics, or the number of times that those attributes have been selected by users. So if we define these, then that item then has a chance of appearing for those filters. It is possible to add custom item specifics, so you would enter your own name and your own answer, and that would appear at the top with the rest of the item specifics. However, as the item specific is not defined by eBay, it will probably not appear in the left-hand side as a filter. If you do not define item specifics for your products, then your products will be excluded when customers filter on the item specific attributes, thereby excluding your products from appearing in front of customers and reducing your sales. Due to the importance of item specifics, eBay provides a number of ways of identifying products that need to be amended and updating them in bulk. On the seller dashboard, under Sell and then Listings, will take you to a list of active listings. The quick filters at the top enable you to quickly see which products are missing item specifics. Item specifics which are required are listings which cannot be listed without those required item specifics, as usually a type. There's also item specifics which are required soon. That means that in the near future, those items in those categories will require those item specifics. And then there are recommended item specifics. Item specifics, the absence of which will not stop your products from appearing, but will help your product appear in more filtered searches. If you look at these products here, under item specifics, it'll tell you what item specifics are missing. You can click on Add Recommended, and it will give the opportunity to add the recommended item specifics here from drop-down lists. Another option is you can edit the items in bulk. This is a place from where the title, the quantity and the item specifics can actually be edited in one place. You can also edit the product identifier. Finally, there's the option to download the item specifics which need to be amended. If you click down here, download here, you can select the categories you want to amend, and it will generate a spreadsheet which can be completed and then uploaded. So here it gives colors for the status of these item specifics. So this one here indicates it's a recommended item specific. So you can fill in this information directly into the spreadsheet and then upload it again. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.